Excuse me, what time is it?
It's 9 o'clock.
It's 9 o'clock, isn't it?
Yes.
Thank you.
So welcome.
By the way, my name is Oanh. Nice to meet you.
My name is Hương. Nice to meet you too.
So your name is Hương, isn't it?
Yes.
Nice name.
Thanks. Your name's good too.
How old are you?
I'm 21 years old.
So you're 21 years old, aren't you?
Yes, I am.
What do you do, Hương?
I'm a student and I'm studying in the Hanoi University of Home Affairs.
So you're a student and you study at Hanoi University of Home Affairs?
Yes.
You like it at school?
Yes, I do. I like it very much.
You like it very much?
Yes.
How often you go to school?
Twice a day. I usually go to school twice a day.
Twice a day?
Yes.
Do you usually go to school like weekends?
Yes, I do. I do it often.
You do it often?
Yes.
When do you usually go to school?
In the morning. I usually go to school in the morning.
In the morning?
Yes.
What time do you usually go to school?
At 7 o'clock in the morning. I usually go to school at 7 o'clock in the morning.
At 7 o'clock in the morning?
Yes.
Who do you usually go to school with?
With my friends. I usually go to school with my friends.
With your friends?
Yes.
How many people are there in your class?
70 people. There are about 70 people in my class now.
70 people?
Yes.
How many students are there in your school?
About 4,000 students. There are about 4,000 students in my school.
About 4,000 students?
Yes.
Where's your school?
In Xuân La Street. My student is in Xuân La Street.
Xuân La Street?
Yes.
How far is it from here to your school?
About 5 kilometers. It's about 5 kilometers from my room to my school.
5 kilometers?
Yes.
How do you usually go to school?
By bike. I usually go to school by bike.
By bike?
Yes.
How long does it take you to get to the school?
20 minutes. It takes me about 20 minutes to get there.
20 minutes?
Yes.
What time do you usually come back home from school?
At 10 o'clock. I usually come back home from school at 10 o'clock.
At 10 o'clock?
Yes.
What do you usually do before going to school?
Well, before going to school, I usually have breakfast.
Have breakfast?
Yes.
What do you usually do coming from back home from school?
Pardon?
What do you usually do after coming back home from school?
After coming back home from school, I usually have lunch.
Have a lunch?
Yes.
May I have the phone number?
Yes, of course. It's 01654.
It's 01654.
Yes, 084.
084.
Yes, 789.
789.
Yes, it's 01654. 084. 789.
So the phone number is 01654 084 789, isn't it?
Yes.
Thank you.
By the way, may I have the phone number?
Yes, of course. It's 01655.
It's 01655.
It's 955.
955.
It's 778.
778.
It's 01655 955 778.
So the phone number is 01655 955 778, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, see you later.
See you later, chào chào.